Hi, I'm Lisa Marie and I'd like to share my upcoming one-day empowerment retreat in Kent with you. I'm in Mexico at the moment, you might be able to tell, and I'm going to be flying over specially for this one-day event. For over 3 decades, I have been coaching, inspiring and motivating thousands of people to reach their full potential and change their lives. I have created an incredible life-changing program for this one day, which includes gentle yoga, hypnotherapy, meditation, different breath techniques, and also a really powerful cacao ceremony. We will also have a fabulous private chef who is going to be preparing all our healthy, tasty, nutritious meals for the day. This event is for both men and women and you don't need any previous experience to attend. I've been running successful retreats since 2019. You can read many success stories on my business pages. Spaces are filling up really quickly for this. In fact, I've only got 5 left, and by the time you're watching this, there may be even less available. If this is calling you, maybe you've been looking to do a retreat for a while, but perhaps you can't commit to a longer duration, then this one-day empowerment retreat will be perfect for you. As I said, at the moment, there's 5 spaces. If you would like one of those, then drop me a message straight away or comment on this video so that you can get a deposit in to hold your place. I look forward to meeting you on this life-changing opportunity. Remember, we can make changes or we can make excuses. We can't do both.